We were doing 6 question previously. 18400, this is the answer coming. Now convert this into liters. इसको liters में convert करो जल्दी से. Do it.
Ma'am, I have converted. Ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have also converted.
Hello, bhai. Let's start. Today's 8th of January, right? Okay, now see what will be the answer of this. You will divide it by how much? किससे divide करोगे इसको?
Ma'am, by 3
Ma'am,
zeros.
ma'am, 1,000.
By 3 zeros. Okay, so you will get the answer as 18.400 liters was produced every day. See the answer. Write the source statement in the end. Don't forget to write down the source statement in the end.
वरना आप मुझे कुछ आर्टिफिशियल देखने दोगे.
Write source statement in the end also. Don't forget that. So 18.400 liters of milk is produced every day. Now we are going to start the next chapter, that is pictorial representation of
Ma'am,
data.
I have.
Pictorial representation of data. This pictorial representation of data. Okay, what does pictorial mean? Pictorial means what? Pictorial means pictures. And what do you mean by data? What do you mean by data? What do you mean by data? Hmm.
Ma'am, information.
Yes,
Ma'am,
data
information.
means information. Data means information. Okay. Pictorial representation of data. That means when we represent the information in the form of data, in the form of pictures, it is known as pictorial representation of data. When we represent any information in the form of picture, for example, different heights of the class are given to you in centimeters. ठीक है? अब क्या हुआ? किसी की हाइट थी 110 सेंटीमीटर, किसी की थी 120 सेंटीमीटर, किसी की थी 130 सेंटीमीटर और किसी की थी 140 एंड किसी की थी 150 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है? What is this? This is heights in centimeter. This is heights. Wait a second. This is heights in centimeter. ये heights है आपकी सेंटीमीटर में. Just wait. Nice. Yeah. Heights in centimeter, and here we will write the number of students. Here we will write number of students. How many students are having heights? So I'm just writing it myself because there should be equal gap. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, I've taken the gap of 2 here. Okay. There were 6 स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे थे जिनकी हाइट थी 110 सेंटीमीटर, तो इसका एक ग्राफ बना दिया बार। ओके, देन 8 स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे थे जिनकी हाइट थी 120 सेंटीमीटर। देन 4 स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे थे जिनकी हाइट थी 130 सेंटीमीटर, तो 4 के सामने मैंने बना दिया 140 सेंटीमीटर। 140 जितने थे वो थे आपके 3, तो आपके 2 और 4 के बीच में आएगा 3, 2 और 4 के बीच में आएगा 3, सो हियर इट विल बी लाइक दिस। 150 सेंटीमीटर वाला सिर्फ 2 ही थे, तो सिर्फ 2 पर के लिए ही आ जाएगा। So what is this? This is a bar graph. This is what? This is known as a bar graph. Because we are making bars here, this is known as bar graph या column graph भी बोलते हैं। It is a form of pictograph. Pictograph we have done in 3rd class. Pictograph we have done in 3rd class. You remember the monkeys, animals वाला एक question हुआ करता था उसमें? Animals वाला
Yes, ma'am.
how many animals were there in the zoo? Like that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here we are having this bar graph. Okay, this is known as bar graph. जो हमने 3rd class में पढ़ा था वो था pictograph. That was pictograph, and this one is bar graph. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay, now if you open your books, you will read the definition of bar graph and the pictograph as well as pictorial representation of data. So open your books, 3rd class.
What is the page number?
Wait for a minute. Let me see and then I'll tell you. I'm going to tell that only. Okay, it is given on page number, math book, page number 160. Page number 160. Okay, now what is, see, page number 161 you see. Page number 161 you can see, it is given a definition of the pictograph here. If you see on page number 161, pictograph की definition दी हुई है, ठीक है? When we give information, information means data. Data means any information, anything the information is given to you is known as data. When we give information about a quantity through pictures, when we give any information in the form of pictures, it is called a pictograph. The pictograph can be graph, chart, or tables. This helps us to understand the number of quantity being talked about. See, example is given to us, example number 1. This example is being given to us, and this example is a pictograph. This example is an example of pictograph. You can see this example, example 1. This is the example of a pictograph. Here, I suppose now it is better.
Ma'am, which page number it is?
161. It's written on the board itself. 161. ठीक है, आप इसको क्या करोगे? Wait a minute. Let me spotlight. Yes. So what will be there is what is there. A class of 22 children told their preferences. See this question. A class of 22 children told their preferences of writing instrument. The data is given below. Represent this information using a pictograph. Okay, तो ये pictograph से बन गई है पूरी information. Now let's see what are the question given to us. How many more children like to write with pencils as compared to pens? आपको बताना है कि कितने children, how many children like to write with pencil as compared to pens? How many more children like to write with? See, if you see how many children like to write with pencil, how many children like to write with pencil? Don't count; it's written at the top.
Ma'am,
12.
12 children like to write with pencil. And how many children like to write with pen?
6.
6 students like to write with pen. So if you subtract 12 minus 6, it will be 6. That means 6 more children like to write with.
Ma'am, 6.
What do least number children like to write with? Least means minimum, या सबसे कम जिसे बोलते हैं, that is least. See beta, listen. The word least or minimum stand for the smallest. Minimum stand for the word smallest. It stands for the word smallest. Okay. Yeah. And maximum, most or maximum. Most or maximum is stand for the greatest. It stands for the greatest. Okay. What do the least number of children like to write with? Least number of children like to write with?
Ma'am, crayon.
Crayons. Crayons. Okay. Most least means सबसे कम. Which is the smallest number? Crayon. What do the most number of children like to write with?
Ma'am,
If you can see
pencil.
the largest line is of pencil,
Pencil.
that means pencil.
Yes, yes.
12 children like to write with pencil, that means maximum is the pencil. What do more children like to write with, a crayon or with a chalk? If you compare the crayon and chalk, what do students like to
Ma'am,
write with more?
Ma'am, chalk. Ma'am,
Chalk.
chalk.
Now coming to the
Chalk.
bar graph and the column graph. Bar graph or column graph is the same which I have told you. अभी अभी जो मैंने आपको बनाकर दिखाया था, that was the same as the word that was bar graph. Okay, when we give information about a quantity through horizontal bars, the bars which I have drawn, they are the horizontal bars. जैसे बनाए थे ना वो मैंने bars, ऐसे करके जो बनाए थे, these are bars. They are known as bars. ठीक है, ये क्या कहलाते हैं? Bar graph और column graph respectively. They help us to understand the number of quantity being talked about. A bar graph and column graph can show more than one set of data. Now look at the example given below. So see here. Example 2 now. 25 children of school showed liking for different kinds of books. The kinds of books liked by them are represented in the pictograph below. Look at it and answer the questions that follow. Mystery की 6 है, adventure की 5 है, comics की 4 and fairy tales की 10 है. Now I hope you can see this bar graph. This bar graph.
Yes.
जो ग्रे कलर का आ रहा है, these are the bars. जो ग्रे कलर के हैं, these are the bars. जो ग्रे कलर के दिख रहे हैं ना आपको इसमें, the ones which is with the gray color is known as are the bar graphs. These are the bars. ये bars हैं. Okay. Now if you can see, one box is equals to one child. One box is equals to one child. Okay. What kind of books like the least? Least कौन सी book like करी गई है? Which type of books are liked least?
Ma'am, comic.
Comics.
Ma'am,
Comics. Okay. What kind of books are like the most?
Ma'am, fairy tales. Ma'am, fairy tales.
Fairy tales are liked by the students most. Were adventure books liked more or mystery books? क्या ज़्यादा like करते हैं?
Ma'am, mystery books.
Mystery books are liked more.
Mystery.
Okay, just compared to mystery and adventure, mystery graphs is bigger. That means mystery book. Which books are liked more by comic or adventure books? Which books are like comic?
Ma'am, adventure.
Adventure. Okay, as compared to adventure and comic, adventure is like more. In the bar graph
Yes.
shown, okay, this one, I wait for a second for this one. Start doing the example number 3. It's quite different one, the graph. First I'll show you what is the graph given to you. Okay, see now. What is the graph given to you here? Wait a second. Yes. Now, as you can see, graph given here. Here, this gray color, as you can see, gray color. What is this gray color? Gray color stands for boys and yellow color stands for girls. Okay, what is the example given to us? As you can read here, this is a bar graph shows how many boys or girls in a school fell sick in the months of June, August, and December. Okay, जून में कितने स्टूडेंट्स इल होते हैं, कितनी गर्ल्स और कितनी बॉयज इल होते हैं, अगस्त में कितनी गर्ल्स और बॉयज इल होते हैं, और दिसंबर में कितने होते हैं. If you can see in June this yellow line जून में कितनी गर्ल्स सिक हो रही है, और ये जून में कितने बॉयज सिक हो रहे हैं. दिस लाइन स्टैंड्स फॉर जून में हाउ मेनी बॉयज आर गेटिंग सिक. नाउ कमिंग टू August, in August how many girls are getting sick, and in August how many boys are getting sick. In December how many girls are getting sick and how many boys are getting sick. Okay, this is given to you. Now you understood the graph. What is the graph here? Okay, if you can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
June, how many girls are falling sick in June? Tell me, how many girls are falling sick in June?
Ma'am, 8. Ma'am, 8.
8 girls
Ma'am,
are
8.
falling in June. And in June, how many boys are falling sick?
Ma'am, 12. Ma'am, 12.
Don't think that
12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 6 boys are not falling sick. But because here one block stands for 2. One block stands for 2, as you can see here. 2, 4, 6, 8. As you can see here, one block stands for 2. That means 6 twos are 12 will be there. Understood? So now let's read the question here. Let us read the question. Question is given to us. Who fell sick more in June, boys or girls?
Ma'am, boys. Ma'am,
Boys.
As you can see, in June, gray line is bigger. Gray line is bigger. That means boys fell sick more in June. In which month did the maximum girls fall sick? Girls सबसे ज़्यादा sick कौन से month में?
December. Ma'am,
December.
December.
December is the longest line for the yellow one. In which month did the maximum girl, sorry, which was the healthiest month of the three? Healthiest month वो होगा जिसमें सबसे कम बीमार
Ma'am,
पड़ेंगे. Which is the
Ma'am,
healthiest month?
August.
Huh?
Ma'am, August. Ma'am,
August.
August.
August नहीं, August. Okay. Yes, very good. August में, if you can see both the lines, yellow one also and gray one also, both are less. Okay. So that means August is the most healthiest month. Understood now? Now everyone take out the maths pen notebook, a new page. Beta, I'm changing the question. Don't think questions are same. Okay? Take out your maths pen notebook, new page, and start doing these questions of like this. Write chapter 14 at the top as it is written over here. Write chapter 14 at the top. Wait a second. Write chapter 14 at the top. Put down today's date. It's not visible. Pictorial representation of data. You write the and take out your books page number 163 as well. Book में 163 पेज निकालो. ये लिखना नहीं है. जो ब्लू पेन से लिखा होता है वो नहीं लिखना होता है. This I'm reminding you again. जो ब्लू पेन से लिखा है वो आपको नहीं लिखना है. जो सिर्फ ब्लैक पेन से लिखा है वो लिखना है आपको. बुक में 163 पेज निकाला, मैथ्स नोटबुक पे न्यू पेज पे लिखना है. ये एक्सरसाइज 14.1 एंड क्वेश्चन ए. बेटा जैसे मैंने क्वेश्चन ए लिखा है सेम आपको एक क्वेश्चन ए लिखना है. No need to draw the graph. You should read graph from book page 163. That's it. You all must write this. Okay? In the same way.